Let's see what number lines are. Number lines are nothing but visual representations of numbers on a number line, and this is a visual representation already drawn here. So there's a straight line that has been drawn, and at the center there is 0 represented, and towards the right side of 0 we have numbers written here, marked here as number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and on the left hand side we have the same thing done here, but it is negative numbers: -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8, -9, and -10. These numbers, the left hand side, are expected to continue indefinitely. Same way on the right hand side also the numbers are expected to continue indefinitely. Now, important concept of number line here is to understand that anytime you jump to the right, say for example from number 2 here, +2, if you jump to the right hand side, you are increasing the number. So from 2 to the right, you increase to 3. So similarly, when you go to the left hand side from any number, from 3 to 2, if you go to the left, you have reduced it, the number from 3 reduces to 2. So the same thing happens here on the left hand side. From -3, when you go to the left, you have come to -4, which is essentially a lower value than -3. Let's take some examples and try to perform basic addition and subtraction concepts here. So let's take examples here. And to start with, let's look at an easy example, which is 1 plus 3. Let us try to perform 1 plus 3 on the number line. Let's take a pink colored ink here, pencil, and let's try to mark 1 on the number line. 1, you need to go from 0, since it has to increase, we have to go to the right hand side, is it not? So we go to the right by 1 position. Now after coming to the right by 1 position, we have to add. Add means going to the right. So we go 3 positions, because in the second number is 3. So from this position we go 1, 2, and 3. So this is where we stop. So the result of the addition 1 plus 3 is therefore is equal to 4, which is what we saw on the number line. So we're actually performing addition using number line. Let's take another example. Example number 2. 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1. What is going to be the value of 1 minus 1? Let's take green color ink here, pencil. So again, to mark 1, we need to go, since it's +1, we go to the right hand side. And we stop here. Then look at what we need to perform. We need to subtract. Subtract how much? 1. Subtraction means reduction. Reduction means going to the left. So let's go to the left by 1 place. And we stop here. So the value here is 0. So therefore 1 minus 1 is nothing but 0. Let's look at another example. Third example. 2 minus 3. 2 minus 3. What is going to be 2 minus 3? Let's take another pencil here, yellow. 2 minus 3. So 2 is a positive number here, so we need to start again from 0 and move 2 positions to the right. 1 and 2. We stop here. Look at the operation -3. So minus indicates reduction, and we're going to go 3 steps. Therefore, since it's reduction, subtraction, we're going to go to the left. 3 positions to the left. 1, 2, and 3. So what's the value here? It's -1. So we got it as 2 minus 3 is equal to -1. Alright, let's take another example. Fourth example. -2 minus 3. -2 minus 3. Alright, so let's take another ink here, maybe blue pencil. Minus 2, as usual we start from 0, and since it is minus 2, we go to the left hand side. To identify means minus 2, we go to the left hand side by 2 steps from 0. 2 steps to the left. We stop here. And then we look at what we need to do. We need to subtract from minus 2 minus 3. So operation is subtraction, means reduction by how much? 3. So we need to go 3 steps to the left, further to the left. 1, 2, and 3. Here is where we stop, which is minus 5. So minus 2 minus 3 is equal to minus 5. Minus 2 minus 3 is equal to 5. That's what we got. That was your fourth example. We have one more example. 5. Let's take it as minus 2 plus 3. So this is interesting. We saw minus 2 minus 3. We saw 2 minus 3. And now we're going to look at minus 2 plus 3. Let's take a different ink here. Let's take a red ink. Okay. And minus 2 plus 3. So minus 2, once again we start from 0 to represent minus 2 and go to the left by 2 places. Jump 2 places. 1 and 2, and there we stop. Then we look at what is the operation we need to do. It is plus 3. We need to do plus 3. So from here, plus 3 means we need to add plus 3. So therefore from this position we need to go to the right. So let's go to the right. 1, 2, and 3. And we stop here. So this is nothing but 1. So therefore minus 2 plus 3 is equal to 1. So this is the basic concept of number lines and how to do addition and subtraction using number line.